Hello my creative friends. I'm going to do a swipe and I'm using up all the last bits of my paint, and my swiping colour is going to be the copper because I really do love that colour. And so my plan is to lay out all of my colours here in the middle and then swipe from the middle outward, creating the tree effect that I think I've sort of really nailed and like doing. So at the bottom of that tree effect, I noticed that I like to have a fair bit of the darker blue, so I'll put that out now. I'm just going to get it all down. So no, I'm not having it all down there, I'm just doing it. And I'll keep that little bit on the side just in case I want to add a bit more at the end. And get this out and happening. So just using up the last bits of the paint, I'm just, if you've watched the video before, I was pretty dissatisfied with what I was doing. And it was just simply because I probably wasn't using a big enough canvas. Also, oh, what am I doing? Well, I'm just doing this, by the way, everyone. I was just experimenting making some of mica paints, and that'll be fun to see how they go in this. Now I'm wondering if I've actually got enough paint, so I might put some white down just to make sure that my canvas is covered. Come on out, you come. Oh, why are you being like that? Is there something trapping you? There you go. Is that better? A bit. All right. Looks like I'm going to have one of those pouring sessions, you know, the ones that sort of feel like you're not satisfied. Might open this up. Then I might open this up and then get a massive gush of white, hey? Yeah. Put a little bit there. The white will look nice amongst everything anyway. All right, that's enough of that. And I might just, hey guys, I'm talking to the cups. Don't stick. Sort of pull this down a bit. Just get my canvas covered the best I can. Because I've only got a little bit of the mica powder paints, and I do want that to really have a chance to pop through. So I'm going to try and cover the canvas predominantly now with these global colours. Ooh, that's nice. I'm feeling really naughty, like I feel like I'm breaking every rule, but have you noticed the more that you break the apparent pouring rules, oh you should do this or you shouldn't do that, the more awesome you feel, the more authentic your own painting is, the more you find your own way in terms of what suits you organically, because I certainly do, and I hope you are too. All right. Oh. Okay, I'm going to have to take my gloves off, which is fine. So I don't have much of these colours left, but they're pretty cool. Let's just get on with it. I'm talking way too much. Did you hear me just say I'm talking way too much, like it's a revelation or something? Like it's the first time ever? Because that would be a fib, wouldn't it? Yeah, so I don't know, I've been feeling dissatisfied with my pores lately. I think I might have had too much of a break between my resin work, and when I come back to pouring, I feel like I'm a bit of a hit or a miss at the moment, which is pretty frustrating. That's too raw. What can I do? Oh, I remember I kept a little bit of the glue here just in case something like that happened. What a premonition I had. I'll just get that out. Okay, good. And some of this pink. It's very nice. Reminding myself that it all just looks different after the swipe. After the swipe. After the swipe. Might want to keep a little bit of that brown. I'm not sure why. But I'm not going to because I've just tipped it all out. It was fun making the mica paints. You know, before when I did my before this video, which was just testing the paints, I was really sort of blasé about my pours because they were little 8x10 canvases. But you know, fundamentally, I did them, to test the paint. And most importantly, how does the paint dry after making my mica powders? So that's what will be important with that. All right, so I'm swiping with transparency strips, and here I go. Grab, grab, slow and controlled, pull, pull, pull. Haven't got enough paint down. Still looks nice. Oh, it looks really, 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 really nice. That's better. I don't know, guys. I'm gonna swipe that again and heavier. Oh, I think I just used half of my swipe sheets by accident. So more than two there. Yeah. There we go. Come up over here. Gonna go a bit small. There we go. All this here. Oh, that's better. Ew, that's not better. Okay. Oh, the struggle's real. I feel like I've lost it. Lost me mojo. You know, and I'm a massive fan of the swipe. Love it inordinately. Got to just fix this last little bit here. Bugger wugger. Bugger wugger wugger. Bugger wugger was a worm. Oh. Alright. I'm going to swipe down my tree trunk. Is that how wide I want it? Yeah. Pull that there, like that. I love these trees. I love doing them, and I love people's reactions when they see them. Pull from here. I'll make a tree knot there. That. Pull it again. That's better. I really love doing these trees. Huge amount of paint. Oh, who knows if it'll dry all right. Be interesting to see how all the different paints are going to work together, considering there's might just do one up here. Oh whoops, that doesn't look nice. We'll do that. Now just sort of do that. I don't really know why. I just feel that it helps blend it into the tree a bit more. There. I'll do that again here. It's a bit too blue there for me. Never mind. I think that's it. Maybe. I have to do a little torch. I've done no torching. I've got a few air bubbles in there. I feel like I just want to do a little raised something there. Oh yeah, that looked good. Let's It's a nice rounded cell. I don't really want to impact there. And I'm just going to, that's a bit too white, sort of blend that down a bit more. And I've got a blob there, pull that there. I've got to stop fiddling now. Oh, I've got to do the counterbalance here. Dreadful that I have to do that, because you don't need to. Oh, I've just dragged a bit of paint through there. Look, oh, I'll get rid of that now. Just by doing this. And now I have to stop, like really, I have to stop, because the effects are really, really pretty delicate, not over the top. Who knows how it's going to dry because there's so much paint. Let's give it a quick whiz with the torch. Oh. Okay, so nice flicker everywhere for air bubbles, and then I like to go down the trunk and across where those branches are for extra emphasis of cells and detail. And the rest can be more organic. Alright, it's nice. Come and have a look. Oh, I'm Madam Uninspired at the moment. How nice is it though? Like, aren't I just being a fusspot? Like, it's really, 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 like, I know people who would, you know, give their paintbrush for the effects of the cells and the nice swipe and the depth and the, look, cells within the cells, delicate cells, round cells, pooled cells, green cells, nice lines of tree trunks. So I'm just a Suki Lala, and off I go. I'm going to go in Suki Lala all the way home by myself. No, I'm not really. Hope your creating's going well. Do you know, I think the next thing I do is I'm going to try and do one of these in resin. What do you reckon? Say yay or nay. All right, happy creating, everyone. Ciao.